One of the worst ways you could borrow money. A lot of people ask me, is there a bad way you can use or loan money or use credit for the wrong reasons? There is. This is Jalen with Growth Inspire. I am back with the video. I'm going to be talking about one of the worst ways you could borrow money. I did this before and I definitely regret it because it was the peak point to where I basically fell off the plateau and ended up filing for bankruptcy myself. So you definitely don't want to miss out on this video. I will be talking about my story about one of the worst ways you could borrow money. Here's what I did completely wrong. I remember back in my younger days when I was about 18 or 19, I had a good credit score. I was almost in the 700s. I had a good credit rating, like never late on my credit cards or anything like that. I always had good credit. But there's this one thing that I did wrong that I definitely regret to this day, and then it basically led me into these financial hardships. When I was looking into purchasing a vehicle, I went to a car dealership, looking for a car, and I already had a working car and everything. There was nothing wrong with it. I just wanted a car for myself. I was like, sure, why not? But when I found the car I was looking for, instead of using my own money down, I used money down from a credit card from a balance transfer. I had a credit limit of $4,500 from Capital One ages ago, and I did a balance transfer to where they send me a check for $4,500 as a check, and I paid that over time. But instead of using that for that balance transfer, I used that $4,500 as a down payment for a car. As you can see, you're basically using money that you don't have already to use it as a down payment for another loan for money that you don't have, if that makes sense. That is probably one of the worst ideas I had ever done, and I don't even know why I did it. It was just a big regret after I did that. I was like, wow, I can't believe I did that. I'm just still shocked that I did it. Like, I can't even explain it to this day. Why would I do it? Like, but then again, I was young, I was dumb. Young people make a lot of dumb mistakes, but that was a big no-no. It's just very surprising. It's just very funny to me. But it is what it is. It's in the past now, and then I got all that stuff taken care of off my credit report. So it's not even on there now, or shows that I even done something like that before. It's something that you want to be mindful about. Just be cautious about the money that you do use that you don't necessarily have in your assets. I can't stress this enough. If you ever thought about doing something like that, do not do it. It's not worth it. Just grind it out. Figure out how you can make money the right way, how to get money together for a down payment. Do not keep using loan money to basically enter in another loan. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment your thoughts about it. I try to keep it super short just to talk about the story. I thought, why not? Because a lot of people may not know or done it before, or thought about doing something like that, and that's my intake on it, and I definitely don't recommend it. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you at the next one.